All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So here we are with Rdbx stock, Redbox Entertainment Inc., and the stock has hit a dip area once again, and it's at a key support level based off the history of the chart, right within this area here. Now, we need to talk about some key levels here and some articles and different facts based off these articles and what a lot of people are stating, because it is very important to realize how much things have changed since gamma squeeze has been out of the picture once options were removed, right? But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that were mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this clarity and edge over the charts with our 42 Vision indicator and our SPY bot, QQQ bot, and Tesla bot, and other bots that we have on the way to be released, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and getting connected over to our 42 Vision indicators. Now, the stocks I mentioned this morning gave realistic expectations of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but our home runs of the day were from our bots in the Discord, guys. Our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator from 11:45 a.m. and from that moment forward, put options went up 50% plus at their highest point of possibility. And then our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 2:30 p.m. and from that moment forward, call options went up into power hour in the end of the day, 50% plus at their highest points of possibility. Then our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator as well at around 12:10 p.m. and from that moment forward, put options went up 70% plus at their highest points of possibility, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity with 42 Vision, getting connected to our bots and the Discord, check out the link down below in the description. Gets you connected over to our Discord bots and indicators. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Rdbx stock, Redbox Entertainment Inc. And as I stated earlier in the video, it's at a dip area based off 42 Vision. Every single time we hit Y with red borders, there tends to be a possible reversal, especially when it actually is followed by a bull indicator, right? So I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to our SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources, maximizing in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Rdbx under a bull indicator. Now, just because a bull indicator popped up does not signify or guarantee that it's going to continue to go higher, right? We need to still see what's going on within the volatility. We need to break through resistance levels, but it has canceled out on the 30-minute, this bear indicator, since way up here at $11.40. Now, the last time that we hit a dip area and we were followed by a bull indicator was way back here on the 14th and 15th, and it went from $9.88 all the way up to $13. Now, this was the date after options and everyone was finding out about it were removed, right? So let's talk about gamma squeeze. As you could see, they're coming up on the screen. A gamma squeeze plays a major role in a short squeeze effect, and they go hand in hand. If you read the words on the screen, if you want to pause it, you can, but if you listen to me and you read them at the same time, this is very important to understand this. Gamma squeezes are not the only piece of the puzzle, but they do contribute to the price action you tend to see when things ramp up really, really fast. And as you see in both of those articles, those are actually pieces of articles that explain gamma squeezes. They go hand in hand and usually happen together. It's almost like the gamma squeeze is what starts the catalyst going, and the short squeeze is the effect of the gamma because shorts have to start covering, and that's when you see things move this fast, guys. Ever since options were taken away, even though it wasn't the buy button completely, it was part of the buying pressure in the possible squeeze. And as you could see, since it's been removed, the stock has struggled a lot more to move. Why? Because gamma squeezes are ramped up by options chains, and short sellers actually have time. They have this thing called days to cover to be able to go ahead and get out. And if you want to correct me on this, you can comment down below. The days to cover is pretty low. It's like 0.2, 0.1 last time I checked. And we talked about this a lot. And I mentioned it as the stock was going higher, how important it was to not overlook that, because eventually the shorts were going to take it to their advantage. And that allows them to cover within the same day and then re-short again. It's like they have an unlimited time span and flexibility to go ahead and work their way around things, right? And whatever they see in the charts or they're trying to do. But buying only shares and no options chain takes away from the variables and possibilities a gamma squeeze. And a gamma squeeze, like I stated, is what ramps up short squeezes. So yes, there could be squeezes happening like this one right here, like this one right here. And this again is not financial advice. And this bull indicator does not guarantee it's going to go higher. But I'm going to circle right here if things continued upwards. Those could be some short squeezes happening. Very small ones and short-lived, not like these, because these were driven by the options chain. I want you guys to understand why the gamma was so important and the options chain in the overall picture. Now, in my previous videos, I did state clearly that it does not mean that the short squeeze is out of the picture, but the gamma squeeze is removed and the options chain together go hand in hand with the effects of how powerful, right? Or how fast, I would say, a short squeeze could possibly happen, right? I could be wrong about this, right? And again, this is not financial advice, as I always state. These are my opinions and perspectives alone and the due diligence that I find, but I am sharing this so people can understand, those that did not know how important the options chain was. A lot of people were actually bashing me in my videos and stating how options do not correlate to stock price, but in a short squeeze, they do have an effect. Even though options are derivatives, do not actually confuse the fact of the share price not being affected by a gamma squeeze, which actually only happens when there's an options chain, right? And it has been removed. But let's talk about the charts here. So the first thing is the 4-hour here has been under a bear indicator since 1534. I have stated within the volatility and this sideways action how important the support levels down here at $9 and $8 have been. And if we go higher, and if we do continue to get these green bars, as we're now getting one in the aftermarket hours here, we want to see a bull indicator pop up in the process to cancel out that bear indicator. If not, that bear indicator in the bigger picture on the 4-hour is still dominating. Now on the 1 day, we got a bear indicator. Things pop back up towards 13, sat sideways, and here we are consecutively 2 red bars and a bear indicator since up here at $12.15. We need this to turn back around. We need those green bars and a bull indicator to cancel out that bear indicator. So on the 1 day, on the 4-hour, we have bear indicators, and on the 30-minute within the volatility, right now it just got a bull indicator. Now we need this to break above 1039 so the bulls can continue to show strength. It will be very important, and this bull indicator may continue to hold true. And if that gets broken through, the next level is up here at 1120, slightly around the area that last bear indicator popped up at 1132. So 1120 and down here at 1039. We definitely want to see 1040, give or take. We want to see bulls find support levels and break away from them. Continue to hold this bull indicator true. I'm going to be watching if these transitions continue into dark green and bright green on 42 vision as it continues to try to go higher. And to the downside, we need to watch this very carefully because it could quickly actually end up canceling out this bull indicator and bringing another bear indicator in the downward trend, right? Bringing one of those back down here that cancels out that bull indicator. So the first support is slightly right there below that bull indicator at 914 and the low of the day at 870. This is a pivotal level because it's the lowest level that we've seen in these consolidations. And after that big run towards 18 and back down, if we break through 870, the next support level is down here at $8, right? And in between that, I'll be watching how it reacts close to 850 to the 840 mark. But those are the key levels I'm going to be watching in either direction. And if this bull indicator holds true, or if it gets canceled out by a bear indicator popping up in any possible downtrend and retest of this low here of 870 and even below that at 850 and $8. Again, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.